You are the icing on my cake. You are the smile I can't replace.
You there?
You are.
More, yeah, good job.
The way you smile, the way you laugh, the way I can't help but catch your joy, your joy. Metaphorically, the song just says one thing: I love you. And that's what I'm telling you. Oh, and there's no
Eli.
irony because
Eli.